Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my thumbnails. Now let me warn you that when you watch this video, you get what you asked for. I'm not going to be teaching how to use Photoshop or anything. I just want to show you the simple way I make most of my thumbnails. Alright, let's start. First thing you're going to want to do is go to a website called Canva. Sign in with Google and you'll find yourself at this homepage. Now click on Create a Design to create a design and scroll down until you find what you're looking for. T-shirt, YouTube thumbnail. Click on it and a new tab will open up. First thing I like to do is grab the screenshot I want to use for my thumbnail. As an example, I'll make a new thumbnail for episode 10 of the Mother 3 Let's Play series, because the old thumbnail was kinda dumb. Alright, I found the scene I like the screenshot. Now let's just plop that into Canva and stretch it out to fit the screen. Okay, now that that's done, let's add the game's logo. Just look up the game, in this case Mother 3, followed by logo transparent. Make sure you copy one with the transparent background and paste it in the Canva. I like to put it into the top left and resize it until it's half as long as the long edge of the thumbnail. Now it's time to add text. Click add a heading and type whatever you want. In my case, I'm going to use the episode's new title. Now just resize it and put it in the middle of the thumbnail. I also like to put the episode number in the top right corner and line it up with the logo on the left. Okay, we're almost done, but there's a small problem. The text doesn't have an outline and it's kinda hard to read, especially when it's thumbnail size. For some reason, Canva doesn't have an outline option by default, and it led to me having some pretty hard to read thumbnails earlier on. Luckily, I found a way around that. Just copy and paste the text over itself, make the top layer of words your outline color, in this case black, then highlight it and select Effects and then Hollow. Now just hit the download button, upload the thumbnail to your video, and you're done.